In front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on Device Unlock, and following that, hit Face and Fingerprint Unlock section available here. Now tap on Face on the left and enter your current login method. If you don't have any, you need to set it up because this OPPO won't allow you to continue without it. Hit Add Now, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Select Done. Manage all of those options however you want to, but make sure this switcher next to Screen Unlock is blue. Without it, you won't be able to unlock your device using face recognition. So now, let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!